In the culinary world, ang pagpili ng mantika para sa pagluto ay isang mere ingredient lamang. Ngunit para sa mga tao na nakakaranas ng pamamanhid at tusok-tusok, alam mo ba that this can be a secret weapon in the fight against the pain and discomfort caused by nerve damage. Kaya naman sa videong ito, tuturuan kita sa 3 pinakamahusay na cooking oil na pwede mong gamitin sa iyong bahay if ikaw ay nakakaranas ng nerve damage. Samahan mo ako hanggang sa dulo ng video para malaman mo ang advantage at disadvantage ng bawat isa sa kanila at para malaman mo din kung ano ang pinaka-affordable na option for you. By the end of this video, you will know if ang mantika na ginagamit mo sa iyong bahay is actually worsening or helping para ma-improve ang iyong simptomas. Magandang araw po, Doc Sherry po, Doctor of Physical Therapy, nagtuturo sa inyo ng practical health tips at home exercise programs na tiyak na makaka-benefit sa iyo. Ang neuropathy ay isang komplikadong kondisyon kung saan affected ang iyong nerves at pwede itong makakabigay sa iyo ng sakit, pamamanhid at tusok-tusok, especially sa iyong kamay at sa iyong paa. Pero alam mo ba na napatunayan sa pag-aaral na ang quality pala ng cooking oil na ginagamit mo sa iyong bahay, it can actually affect your symptoms. Here's why. Good quality cooking oil are actually loaded with essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, nakakatulong para ma-repair ang damaged nerves. At good quality cooking oil are actually minimally processed, which will give you its natural goodness. However, on the other hand, ang poor na quality ng mga mantika, it is highly processed. Wala ito sa mga essential nutrients na supposedly meron dyan para makatulong sa nerve repair. Not only that, it is also loaded with trans fats and pwede din itong magkaroon ng mga chemical which can actually hinder or stop ang iyong recovery. Ito ang 3 pinakamahusay na cooking oil na pwede mong pagpilian if you are battling with nerve pain. Extra virgin olive oil. This Mediterranean staple po is considered as a liquid gold. Alam mo ba kung bakit? Simply because it is high in antioxidant properties, specifically oleocanthal, which has the capacity in decreasing ang pamamaga sa ating katawan, which is a precursor and need po talaga natin yan para makarecover ang ating nerves. Nakita sa mga clinical studies na ang consumption ng extra virgin olive oil, it is linked to decrease neuropathic pain or decrease sa pamamanhid at tusok-tusok. Not only that, isang pag-aaral na inilathala sa diabetes care ay nagpapakita at nagpapatunay na ang consumption ng extra virgin olive oil, which is very prominent sa Mediterranean diet, it has the capacity para makaiwas sa type 2 diabetes. Alam naman natin lahat na ang type 2 diabetes ay isang pangunahing factor kung bakit nagkakaroon ng pamamanhid at tusok-tusok. Now, you might be wondering why. Ang elevated kasi na blood sugar sa iyong dugo, it can actually affect ang mga maliliit at delicate na blood vessels na supposedly there to deliver oxygen and nutrients sa iyong nerves. Now, when this happens, it can actually lead po to nerve damage. Nakita din sa pag-aaral na ang consumption ng extra virgin olive oil, it can even prevent diabetes for patients who have higher risk of cardiovascular conditions dahil sa obesity or for being overweight. Sa pagpili ng magandang brand ng extra virgin olive oil, i-check mo ang labels at certificates. Look for the ones that indicates extra virgin olive oil and cold press. This will ensure po that you have the best quality at hand. I-check mo din ang label kung saan ito ginawa. The best quality extra virgin olive oil po comes from reputable countries like Italy, Greece, Spain, and Australia, simply because they have strict quality standards. I-check mo din ang date. The fresher, the better, because the fresher extra virgin olive oil, it has higher anti-inflammatory and antioxidant contents. Piliin mo din ang mga brands na nakalagay sa dark bottles because this will ensure that it is prevented from degradation and para ma-ensure din ang quality ng produkto. Another disadvantage of extra virgin olive oil is the fact na hindi ito angkop sa high temperature cooking dahil it has a lower smoke point. Ibig sabihin po, mas madali itong masunog. And once that happens, you actually lose the health benefits of this precious oil. Kaya naman, importante na maging careful at cautious when you're using extra virgin olive oil when cooking. Ang isa pang option for you is avocado oil, which is called a true nerve nourisher. Simply because ang avocado oil po, ito po ay puno ng vitamin E which can actually protect your nerves from further damage. Nakita sa pag-aaral na ang consumption or ang paggamit ng avocado oil, it can effectively decrease neuropathic pain simply by lowering inflammation and improving how your nerves function. Dahil ito din po ay puno ng saturated fats na maganda para sa iyong nerve health. Ang isang advantage ng avocado oil is the fact na pwede mo itong gamitin sa high temperature cooking dahil mas mataas ang smoke point nito. Ibig sabihin, hindi po ito madaling masunog and you will not lose easily its health benefits. One disadvantage of avocado oil is the fact that it can be a bit pricey, same as that of olive oil. However, let me remind you po na ang health benefits na pwedeng mabigay sa iyo nito further outweighs the cost or ang gastos. In buying good quality avocado oil, check for certificates. Piliin mo ang mga brands na may nakalagay na cold press. This will ensure that the essential nutrients are in place. Before tayo magpatuloy sa pinaka-affordable na option para sa iyo for cooking oil para makatulong sa pamamanhid at tusok-tusok, at this point, I would like to ask a small favor from you po to please click the like button below. If you agree with me na kailangan maging informed ka sa iyong option to make better decisions about your health. Maraming salamat po. Coconut oil. Ito ang pinaka-affordable na option para sa iyo if naghahanap ka ng abot-kayang mantika na pwede mong gamitin sa bahay that will not worsen neuropathy symptoms. Nakita po sa pag-aaral na ang medium chain triglycerides, specifically lauric acid na nasa coconut oil, ito po ay may kakayahan to lower neuropathic pain in patients na nakakaranas ng pamamanhid at tusok-tusok. In fact, the study also showed that MCT found in coconut oil can actually improve patients' quality of life. Ang advantage ng coconut oil is the fact that ito po ay abot-kaya. However, ang disadvantage naman nito ay dapat you should have it in moderation dahil it is calorie dense po. And this is very important for persons who are trying to manage their weight. Ito po ang tatlong uri ng cooking oils na dapat mong pagpilian if ikaw ay nakakaranas ng pamamanhid at tusok-tusok dulot ng nerve damage. Dahil clinical studies have actually validated that good quality oil can help you with your recovery process by working in the cellular level. If nakaabot ka hanggang sa dulo ng video, please comment healthy cooking in the comment section below. If may katanungan ka sa videong ito, please comment mo lang sa baba dahil ako'y talagang sasagot sa iyo. If gusto mong malaman ang tatlong uri ng seeds na makakatulong sa nerve repair and nerve recovery, meron akong video dito. Paki-check lang po, ito ay makakatulong talaga sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa panunood. This is again Doc Sherry. Stay safe, stay happy and healthy. God bless you po. Hi, Doc Sherry po, Doctor of Physical Therapy. Good news sa mga nandito sa Pilipinas, available na po ang Be-Freeze Fragrant Cooling Gel. This is a unique formulation of Arnica montana extract, which had been proven sa mga pag-aaral that it has the same effect as that of ibuprofen in relieving the pain without any side effects. Napakaganda po nito for muscle, joint, and even arthritis pain. A little goes a long way. Ipahid mo lang ang konting amount 2 times a day and you can really see and feel the difference. This one is already available for national shipping through Shopee and with cash on delivery option. This is a unique formulation. It is non-greasy and it is fragrant. Pwedeng-pwede mo ito magamit sa iyong opisina dahil it really smells that good. Try Be Freeze Fragrant Cooling Gel and see for yourself the difference. God bless you po.